Want to access your Cosmos Bank virtual debit card? Step 1. Let's get started. Click on Debit Card section in Home screen to access your card dashboard. And here you can manage your card settings, lock or hotlist card, and even place order for a physical debit card. Step 2. Order physical card. To get your card, click on Order Today, enter your delivery details, and that's it. Kick back, your card's on its way. Step 3. Secure your card. Once received, ensure your card safety by clicking on Create PIN and entering your PIN details. Enter received OTP on your registered number to successfully set the security PIN. Step 4. Wanna lock your card? Click on the lock icon, select lock card and enter your TPIN to lock your card. Step 5. Card customization. You can customize your card settings on the Galgal app. Please note, if you haven't ordered your physical card, you'll only be able to change your spend limits. However, once you have received your physical debit card, you can customize the card features like Get Cash at ATM, Swipe Card at shops, and contactless payments. Download the Galgal app on Play Store and App Store today.